You are going to love the 2019 Arteon. The Volkswagen Arteon offers plenty of convenience and functionality by utilizing 4 doors and a hatchback. A comfortable ride, plenty of high-quality finishes, and the overall utility of this vehicle makes it one you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.